Stop buying the wrong smart home security systems for beginners. You're wasting money, you're getting frustrated with complex setups, and most importantly, you're not getting the peace of mind you deserve. I'm here to cut through the noise, give you the unvarnished truth, and show you the absolute best smart home security systems of 2026, specifically designed to be ridiculously easy for anyone to set up and use. This isn't just about cameras, it's about making your home safe without needing an engineering degree. Before we dive into the countdown, let me tell you this. The number one pick on our list is going to completely change how you think about smart security, especially if you're just starting out. It's so intuitive, so user-friendly, you'll wonder why you ever considered anything else. Let's kick things off with a fantastic entry that proves you don't need a whole system to start feeling secure. Coming in at number 5, we have the Google Nest Cam Outdoor. Its best features? Seamless integration with the Google Home ecosystem, smart alerts that can distinguish between people, animals, and vehicles, and an incredibly versatile magnetic mount that makes installation a breeze. This camera is perfect for anyone already invested in Google's smart home platform, or if you're a renter looking for a simple, effective outdoor monitoring solution without hardwiring. Now for the honest flaw. While it offers 3 hours of event video history for free, getting the full benefit, like longer video history and familiar face alerts, almost certainly means you'll need a Nest-aware subscription. But what if you need more than just one camera? Something with even sharper eyes and a bit more presence. Rolling in at number 4 is the Arlo Pro 4 Spotlight camera. This powerhouse boasts stunning 2K HDR video, an integrated spotlight for clear color night vision, and an impressive 160-degree view. Plus, it's wire-free and can connect directly to your Wi-Fi, meaning no separate hub is required for basic use. It's truly for those who prioritize high-quality video and advanced camera features but want to start with a single, powerful unit that can be easily expanded. However, its honest flaw is that while you can use it standalone, unlocking advanced features like cloud storage beyond the basic trial means signing up for an Arlo Secure subscription, and changing its battery can be a hassle if it's mounted really high up. Arlo's great, but battery swaps can be a pain. What if you never had to worry about charging, and got incredible resolution to boot? Sliding into our number 3 spot is the Eufy Security eufyCam 3. Its standout features include jaw-dropping 4K UHD video, built-in solar charging that virtually eliminates battery concerns, and perhaps best of all, local storage via its Homebase 3, meaning no subscription fees for your basic recordings. It even features Bionic Mind AI for facial recognition. This camera is ideal for tech-savvy beginners who want top-tier resolution, the ultimate convenience of solar power, and a strong preference for avoiding monthly subscription fees. The honest flaw? Its initial cost is definitely higher than many competitors, and while the Bionic Mind AI is impressive, it does need a bit of training to really learn faces accurately. Eufy brings incredible tech, but what if you're ready for a full-house security blanket, easy to install, with tons of options to customize? Taking the number 2 position, we have the Ring Alarm 14-piece system. This comprehensive kit provides a base station, keypad, numerous contact sensors, motion detectors, and a range extender, all designed for incredibly easy DIY installation. It seamlessly integrates with other Ring devices and offers optional professional monitoring for ultimate peace of mind. This system is perfect for Amazon Alexa users, anyone who wants a robust, scalable security solution that's still genuinely beginner-friendly, and those looking for a full-house setup without breaking the bank. The honest flaw here is that while the system works without it, the Ring Protect plan is almost essential for unlocking video recording and advanced features from any Ring cameras you add, and for some, 14 pieces might feel a little overwhelming right out of the box. Ring gives you a complete system, but for true plug-and-play simplicity, For the person who wants to be secure without a single headache, our number one pick takes the crown. The best smart home security system for beginners in 2026 is the SimpliSafe 9-piece wireless system. What makes it number one? Its unbelievably easy DIY setup requires absolutely no tools. It's a completely modular system, allowing you to add more sensors or cameras whenever you want, and it offers 24/7 professional monitoring without any long-term contracts. Plus, it has cellular backup and discrete sensors that blend into your home. This system is tailor-made for absolute beginners, renters, or anyone who values ultimate flexibility and peace of mind with optional professional monitoring, prioritizing simplicity above all else. Its honest flaw? While the cameras are decent, they don't quite match the market-leading resolution of an Arlo or Eufy, and opting for professional monitoring will, of course, add a monthly recurring cost. Alright, you've seen the best, now go get yours. To get the absolute best prices on all these smart home security systems right now, check the pinned comment and the description below. Seriously, click those links before the deals disappear.